Ka Bureau of Indian Standards jongka Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution jongka Sarkar India, ringkat barka District Rural Development Agency. Benda kasngi kala penlong sendan da ka program ban pensnguthu Paidbah, halor ka jingdon kam ban tip ya ki mar ki mata, ki ba Thok bat ki ba Bis Sha, nadu ki marbam mardi, ki tiar electronics bat ki wei. Ya ketiga program la penlong ha conference hall jongka DRDA, ha balawan ban sengap bat shibenta da ki Nongïalam Shnong na kaleng ki jaka jongka dong ribhoi, balawan ban Pynshai Paidbah da usubham sanu bat ka barisha jyoti Bis Sha ki bade ki standard promotion consultant ka BIS hak jingdon lang ka kong pliang hun marbanyang district program manager di RDA ba S marbanyang additional district program manager ka di RDA bat kiwe habakaran syakilat pathai khobor hadin ka jing Pynshai Paidbah na kaliang usubham sanu bat ka barisha jyoti Bis Sha kiloong bakum kini ki jat program kilong ki badan kam bat kongsan hagan ka juk ka bamenta babun na ki mar Thok ki jor ha ki yau ki hat ba ki Paidbah ki dankam ban Husiar ban tip ya ki tiar ki Bis Sha bat ki ba Thok ling ba ki hallmark ki license number bat ki wei ba ki Paidbah ki la ru ban pej ling ba ka BIS care up ban pentikna ya ki mar ki ba Thok bat ki Bis Sha.
प्रोडक्ट होता है आपका, सपोज ये एक पानी का बोतल है आपका, इसका वाटर का एक IS नंबर डिफरेंट है। सपोज मैंने हेलमेट खरीदा है, हेलमेट का आपका ISI नंबर डिफरेंट है, तो उस हिसाब से आपका IS नंबर ऊपर रहना चाहिए ISI मार्क के। ये ऊपर में जो प्रोडक्ट है आपका ISI मार्क और नीचे में जो ISI दिया हुआ है ना, ये रियल ISI मार्क है। और आप लोगों को स्क्रीन में भी दिखेगा जो ये तीनों मार्क दिया हुआ है ना ISI मार्क का।
We are from BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. We are a department under Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So with this program, that is sensitization of village panchayats in Ribhoi district, we wanted to provide an awareness to the representative member of village councils. With this program, we wanted to make them aware about what is ISI, what is hallmark, and what is CRS products. About all the mandatory products that come under BIS, we wanted to help them out to spread the awareness among the people of villages. So with this program, we wanted to let them know how they can distinguish between a fake product and real product, and how they can save themselves from the fake product that is being circulated in the market. In this program, we had given them details about what is a fake ISI mark and what is a real ISI mark, what does a real ISI mark carries. So this program is all about like spreading an awareness about BIS and ISI hallmark, and how the people can distinguish themselves and save themselves from getting fraud by the fake people out there who are trying to fake them out by using a fake ISI mark.
Giving them a demonstration about BIS Care app. In this application, they are getting checked about the water bottles, about the mandatory products which is under ISI mark or hallmark, or under CRS, which is electronics marks. Basically, they are basically the Gram Panchayat sensitization program aims to check whether the product is verified by our department or not. If it is verified, you can check through BIS Care app. In this BIS Care app, you can check ISI mark product is a fake or is real. This is the basically this is the application BIS Care app, in which you can check, verify license details and verify HUID. Apart from this, you can also check, verify R number through BIS through CRS number, in which in under CRS there are several items of like electronics items like smartphones, laptop, projectors and mics. You can check it through BIS Care app. When you are going to verify license details, these application wants license number. If if your product is real, then you can check through license number, which is written under the ISI mark, where CML, which is central mark license number, and when you enter the license number, it's just like 54000, 71903. The details of the water bottle, they provide everything, like where it is manufactured, from where it is purified or not, it is it is very valid or not, its product are, all the details are come under BIS Care app.